recovery machine and refrigerant cylinder tank. All valves is closed, the cylinder tank and the beads. So assuming this unit is on, but you have to check the connection. Ito yung alaw na lang natin. First, you have to on the unit, and then you have to open the valve. This one, low side. Then after you open the valve, then you have purging the unit, So you have to put the purging position. Then you have to release the pressure or the air. Assuming this air is already out. Then by the way, you have to put this one at before. You have to put before side. So this is the proper connection. You remember this one, the proper connection. So assuming it's already, the purging is already, then you have to put the recovery position. Then you have to open this cylinder, low side, the before side. So after this one, then we start recovery. So assuming starting the recovery machine, so all the refrigerant inside the unit, the window type is taken by moving the recovery going to the cylinder tank. So tandaan natin, ito yung connection natin, tandaan yung connection niya. Hindi kayo malito o saan natin ito ang encounter kayo sa assessment, baka ito yung gagawin i-perform nyo. Tandaan yung connection nyo. Then ulitin ito, all off, valve is off. Then you have to open this valve, is already closed. Ito yun. Buksan nyo ito una. Tapos, on yung recovery. Tapos, i-purge nyo. Ilagay nyo sa board position. So, pagkatapos, manda na yung recovery, i-purge din dito. Release yung hangin sa system ito. Para hindi makapasok ang hangin sa loob ng hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede makamix ang hangin sa refrigerant tank natin. Pinawalang hangin. After yung purging, so balikin ko, ilagay nyo sa recovery position. Ito, nag-umpisa na yung pag-recover niya. Higutin na yung prio niya dito. Ito sa unit ito, natin ilabas yun sa tank. Madali lang, diba? Madali lang. Kasi tandaan nyo ito yung mga ginagamit ng mga pag-recovery machine. Kasi recovery nito, ito yung mga gamit, recovery machine. Diyan sa refrigerant tank. Kahit anong unit o refrigerator ba ito i-recover nyo, o window, o yung malaking split type, yung malaking unit, package type unit. So, same. So, yun ang ano natin na mag-save. Para makasave tayo, protect sa ozone layer, sila sa environment natin, ozone layer. So, yun lang, tandaan nyo natin yung nakakanda rin ito. Thank you. Subscribe.